In this video, we are going to provide an overview of the Plotly Python library. So, what is Plotly? Plotly is an interactive open-source plotting library that supports over 40 unique chart types. It is available in Python, R, and JavaScript. Plotly Python is built on top of Plotly JavaScript library and includes chart types like statistical, financial, maps, scientific, and three-dimensional data. The web-based visualizations created using Plotly Python can be displayed in Jupyter Notebook, saved to standalone HTML files, or served as part of pure Python-built web applications using Dash. The focus of this lesson will be on two of the Plotly submodules, Plotly Graph Objects and Plotly Express. Plotly Graph Objects is the low-level interface to figures, traces, and layout. The Plotly Graph Objects module provides an automatically generated hierarchy of classes, figures, traces, and layout, called graph objects. These graph objects are used for representing figures with a top-level class plotly.graph_objects.figure. Plotly expresses a high-level wrapper for Plotly. It is a recommended starting point for creating most common figures provided by Plotly using a more simple syntax. It uses graph objects internally. Let us see how to use plotly.graph_objects submodule by creating a simple line chart. First, import the required packages. Here we are importing graph objects as Go. Then generate sample data using NumPy. The plotly.graph contains a JSON object which has a dictionary structure. Since we imported Plotly graph objects as Go in the previous slide, Go will be the JSON object. The chart can be plotted by updating the values of the Go object keywords. We will create the figure by adding a scatter type trace. Next, the layout of the figure is updated using the updateLayout method. Here we are updating the x-axis, y-axis, and chart title. This is the plotted figure. Now we will create the same line chart using Plotly Express. In Plotly Express, the entire line chart can be created using a single command. Visualization is automatically interactive. Plotly Express makes visualization easy to create and modify. And now it's time to play with the Plotly library. Next is going to be a lab session. We will be using the airline reporting database from Data Asset Exchange to demonstrate how to use Plotly Graph Objects and Express for creating charts. Here is a quick overview of the airline reporting dataset. The reporting carrier on-time performance dataset contains information on approximately 200 million domestic U.S. flights reported to the United States Bureau of Transportation Statistics. The dataset contains basic information about each flight, such as date, time, departure airport, arrival airport, and, if applicable, the amount of time the flight was delayed and information about the reason for the delay. Now let us start the lab.